Okay guys, today I want unboxing this. This is set of to say soldering iron by brand DELIXI. Okay, mostly I recommended brand DELIXI Electric lah. So, okay, so let's look about around this box first. Okay, so first we list this one first. Okay, this is soldering iron. Okay, DELIXI Electric 60 watt. Okay, 60 watt. Okay, so the box like this. Okay, the brand DHGDA6OB. This is the how to use. You see how to use barcode. Okay, so and this one is the box. Set box inside here. Later we see. Okay, see this box first. Okay, nice box. This box is nice. So now I don't open it, but I open this for box first. Box inside point door. Box. Okay, new. See, fit. Okay, open it. Okay, hold it first. This one I don't know what's this one. This is the holder. I think it's holder. Okay, let's look inside this holder. I think it's holder. Okay, this is holder. Yes, I think it's holder. Yes, holder. Soldering iron holder. Yeah, and screw it. Okay, nice. Okay, so we put aside first the solder. This one this is the pad, put here one. This is the pad, put the pad. Okay, the pad. This is the soldering soldering iron lead. Okay. This is one. This is the like some kind like gel. For one, the how to say the soldering iron heat, right? Can stop here for stop it. See. Touch it from touch it and then you go to here. Okay, and then this one is the head, the soldering iron head. Okay, so this one basically is put here. Finish, you start it, and then this one is, I think mostly is cooling for cooling purpose. Cooling, then start touch it, clean it, put inside. Okay, so nothing much. Soldering lead. This is the head. Okay, you can change it one. Here, put inside. Put here, screw here, here, and here. Okay, then finish this one. We pull out this one. Okay, this is soldering iron. Let's put inside. Correct inside. Okay. Soldering iron 60 watt one. Take it out. Okay. Power. Okay, here. Okay, nice. Tuning. And you see what this one? I can tuning one. How many degrees Celsius? You see? Can see, right? Yeah. Okay, never mind, you can see it. I read for you. 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450 Celsius. Okay, you can set that. But mostly I set it the lowest one, 200, 200. Okay. Okay. DELIXI Electric. Okay. So this one, this set, take it out and then I put inside. So easy for me to use it later on. Good. So this box is coming easy, coming handy easy. Okay. Next time I just use it like this. Okay. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Yeah. See you. Bye.